What's going on, guys? Treasure up here in the garage. All right, last day in the garage. As you can see, it's for the most part pretty empty. Just gonna grab those guys today. Quick lift off the actual screws that are holding them onto the wall. Gonna pack up everything you see along with the lawnmower stuff. Grab my charger, grab the clock. Last thing I need to do, and this is gonna be the last thing, obviously, at this point, is to remove the lights. I'll move the lights, and then, yeah, the garage is gonna be nice and clean. Oh yeah, I need to take the charger too. But yeah, everything's gonna be out of here. Everything's gonna be out of here, and then it'll be ready to go. However, the renovations are starting in 2 days. 2 days. The renovations are gonna start on the house first. So the house is gonna get started first. The foundation, everything's gonna be extended on that side of the house, like not even this wall, but the other wall. And then they're gonna come over here and then destroy this wall and then extend the garage. So anxious because I wanna get started. I'm anxious because I don't know how it's gonna turn out. But yeah, last thing to do, remove the lights. So for one last time until the renos are done. Okay, Google, turn off the garage lights. All right, let's get these off and pack them up.
A few moments later.
All right, guys, it is now 9 p.m. I think it's 9. Anyways, I don't know. I've lost track of time. Anyways, it is 9 o'clock. The garage is empty. The entire house is completely empty. I'm gonna go ahead and now grab the dogs. Actually, no, I already grabbed the dogs. Yeah, the dogs are already in the car, I think. Yeah, they're in the car. And then, yeah, close the garage down and we're good to go. Renos are starting super soon. Let's go. Thanks for watching, guys. Into the next one.